Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix lift-off distance. Lift-off distance, or LOD, is a crucial setting for mouse precision, especially in gaming. It refers to how high you can lift your mouse off the surface before the sensor stops tracking. A properly set LOD prevents your cursor from moving unexpectedly when you reposition your mouse, ensuring smoother and more accurate control. Let's dive into how to optimize this setting for your setup. Several factors can contribute to an undesirably high lift-off distance. Sometimes, it's simply a matter of your mouse sensor not being properly calibrated for your specific mouse pad. Dust and debris on your mouse feet or an uneven surface can also interfere with the sensor's ability to accurately detect when it's lifted. Additionally, older mouse firmware might not offer the advanced LOD customization options available in newer versions.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling great. It's a classic for a reason. You can find the link for that, along with other awesome deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The most direct way to fix your lift-off distance is through your mouse's software. Most modern gaming mice come with dedicated applications that allow you to fine-tune various settings, including LOD. Navigate to the sensor or performance section and look for options like lift-off distance, surface calibration, or tracking height. Adjust these settings incrementally and test them in your preferred applications to find the perfect balance for your playstyle. Beyond software adjustments, physical maintenance plays a significant role in optimizing your lift-off distance. Regularly clean your mouse sensor and the mouse feet to ensure smooth, unobstructed tracking. Consider using a high-quality mouse pad that provides a consistent surface for your sensor. Finally, always keep your mouse firmware updated. Manufacturers frequently release updates that improve sensor performance and introduce better LOD control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.